Guys, and once again we're back in part 2, and here's my mom over here.
Hello.
Guys, I know this is gonna be a great time. Wait, this river over here, shoot, it's pretty relaxing. Oh, huh? Luminaria Walk. Light the night. Lantern lit hallways, live music, and community unity await you tonight. December 6th, 5 p.m. 7 and 3 p.m. Meadowbrook Pond. Celebrate together. Join us, Meadowbrook Community Center.
Yeah, that's the one I was telling you about. Oh, look over
Jeez,
there.
that sounds cool.
There's a bunch of little log seats.
Hmm,
Over there, you see?
it's a giant log over there.
Oh,
Shoot.
yeah, this thing, but I'm talking about over there, the little wheels. You can see the seats. Over there. Over it, see?
Guys, anyway, hey, let's see what else we have. Is that a house over there? Wait, no. Wait, what are those drawings? Let me get a closer look.
What are you trying to get a closer look at?
So apparently,
Not that close. What are you trying to get to? What are you trying to get to? Oh, to see those drawings?
it
Are
seems
those Pokemons?
It seems to be some Pokemon on drawings.
Did you get it?
Yep. Guys, here we have these leaves that I've seen before, but don't know the name of. Man, nature really is beautiful. Trees. Now we might be. Oh, and look at this house. Shoot, that's pretty nice. Guys. Anyways, we're finally at the exit. So
Now we're gonna walk over to the community center and see see what activities they have over there. So you could cut the video.